Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to change one word in whole document in Google Docs. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. For example, I took a short text about the morning routine of the girl Lily. Our task is to replace the name Lily with any other name such as Anna in the whole document. To replace one word with another, we go to the Edit tab and select Find and Replace here. A little faster, this window is called with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-H. Now in the Find field we enter the name Lily, the case of the word is not important, and then in the Replace With field we type the name Anna. Case is already important here, so we type with a capital letter. When everything is entered, click Replace All and the name Lily will be replaced with the name Anna. And that's it. Now in Ultima.